Last week I told you Google blinked while China dropped Kimi K3. Yesterday, Google shipped 3 new AI models at once. And the one everyone's actually been waiting for? Still missing. Third time. Let's get into it. Yesterday, 3 models at once. Gemini 3.6 Flash, 3.5 Flash-Lite, and a security-only model called Flash-Cyber. Start with the headline model. Cheaper than before. $1.50 in, $7.50 out per million tokens. The old Flash charged $9 for output, and it does the same work using 17% fewer output tokens. Cheaper price, fewer tokens needed. That's a double discount. So is it actually good? One independent tester ran it through his full coding benchmark live on camera. The score, 94, ahead of Alibaba's Qwen 3.8. Just behind Kimi K3 and GPT 5.6 Sol. But here's the number that actually matters if you build things. Same benchmark suite. Flash finished in 12 minutes. Kimi took 136. Sol took 200. Almost frontier-level score at Flash tier speed and price. That's a genuinely good ship. But don't let that distract you, because the model everyone actually asked Google for didn't show up. Again, quick honest downside. On Google's own eval sheet, Flash lost 4 separate coding categories plus a knowledge work benchmark against the best models out there. There's also Flash-Cyber, a security-only model restricted to governments and trusted partners. Its job, find bugs in real software before hackers do. It found 55 confirmed vulnerabilities in known programs. 10 of those, nothing else found. 72 of those fixes are already live in real-world software. This is Google's answer to Anthropic's security model, Mythos. Okay. 2 solid ships. Now the part I actually want to talk about. Rewind. May. Google announces Gemini 3.5 Pro at their big developer event. Promises it for June. June came. No Pro. July came. Still no Pro. As of right now, it has missed its deadline 3 separate times. 3 missed deadlines for the same model is not a scheduling hiccup. Google's own reporting says it, quote, hasn't hit its internal performance bar. Translation: it's not good enough to ship, and they know it. And here's the detail that actually matters. In the same announcement, Google confirmed something else. Gemini 4 has already started pre-training. Their words: the most ambitious training run they've ever done. Here's the actual announcement post, so you can read Google's own words instead of a headline about it. Think about what that means. Google is already deep into building the next generation, while the current flagship still hasn't shipped. That's not a delay. That's a company moving on. And people are searching for this. Gemini 3.5 Pro gets 419,000 searches a month, more than the model that actually shipped yesterday. So here's the builder verdict. 3 moves. 1. Use 3.6 Flash today for anything cheap and fast. Drafts, bulk coding tasks, agents that run in a loop. It's genuinely good at that job. 2. Stop waiting on Pro for your roadmap. 3 broken promises means you plan around what exists, not what's promised. 3. If you need serious reasoning right now, this changes nothing. Claude Fable. 5. GPT 5.6. Sol and Kimi K3 are still your real options. Google shipped 2 genuinely solid tools yesterday. But the real story is what they didn't ship, and what that silence tells you about where they're actually headed. I'm Dex. Monday. Kimi's weights go free and I'm downloading them live. Subscribe so you don't miss it.